Hey guys, it's Prodigy Master, and in this Prodigy video, I'm going to show you a really funny, cool glitch that I found in Prodigy. It's a sound glitch, so it's pretty good. So guys, what you need to do first is you just need to answer one math problem. So I'm here in the Crystal Caverns. It's easy for me just to answer one math problem. You don't have to do a whole battle. So let me do that. So this is the first part of the glitch. I don't like math, even though I'm really good at it for some reason. What? 3 times, oh yeah, 10, so that would be 6, yeah, alright. So guys, as you see now, there is a, I guess guys, this is the other thing, this will only work on Windows Google Chrome, so I don't know if it'll work on, so just go to google.com and come into Prodigy and do this glitch. You gotta be on Google Chrome while you're playing it, or just Google. And then what will happen after you answer this question is that if you look right up here, there is this sound button. Guys, I'm not hacking, it's just really funny. And it says playprodigy.com. And then we click that button, and that thing's in the way, so I can't really do it. But you just click that button. Why? Please move. Please move. I'm telling you to move. What if we did this? This will end the video, guys. Wait, it's working. I just saw it work. We might have to turn up our sound. Okay, will that make it work? Yeah, guys, you guys can't see it, but my record thing is right there. Come on, I want to do it. It's right there. The thing is right there. Anyway, guys, you just click right there, and then it'll do this really good glitch. Like I said, Google Chrome or Google. Just go to google.com, and then you can search the web, and then type in Play Prodigy. Just get into Prodigy, and then you can do this glitch. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe. I hope that it worked for you guys. It might work. I just have Google Chrome, so I haven't tested it out anywhere else. But it's just a really fun, cool glitch. As you guys see, it's not gonna do it anymore, because I already did it. It says. So guys, thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day.